Tucson DPS. Let's see. Their contact information is 520-746-4500. 520-746-4500. 520-746-4500. Sorry about the vertical syndrome. My phone won't auto-rotate. Did you ring the bell?
No. It's locked though. I opened the door.
Five two zero 746-4500. Auto rotate button. No, it's just an old broken phone, Max. I should have gone live on my other phone. But I try to use my main phone. Is Trooper Hernandez here? Do you know where he's at? Can you send out a supervisor? So, Tuck, you're aware that under federal statute, there's 18 USC 241 and 242, and that's where basically you can file a lawsuit against them, right? But there's also a criminal end of it. I can't remember if it was 38 dash something.
Yeah. Well, at the end of that, I think it's 242, I think it is. Remember, the penalty is death.
Okay, that's
up
what it
to
was.
death.
I thought it was a different statute where that was civil and okay,
Yeah.
but right.
But I believe the penalty is up to death.
Right, absolutely.
You know,
if the
For deprivation of rights under color of law.
if it involves a kidnapping or I think maybe a sexual assault or something like that, yeah. Brock, thanks for the $5. Them damn Freeman people. Yeah. Then the penalty is death. So we're here today to get my property back and ask if he has been convicted and sentenced to death yet, or if it's been carried out yet, or or what's going on. Hey, it's hard to hear you on this mic. Can you come out and speak with me?
No, sir, I cannot. What can I help you with?
I need my property.
You need your property. I understood you actually wanted to talk to an officer. What property do you have here?
I have some property that was stolen by Officer Hernandez 2 years ago when he committed a couple of felonies.
Okay, well, first off, we have a problem because, one, we don't steal things for the police.
Yeah, you know what, dude? Spare me your lies and get me my stuff, okay?
Okay, sir, I'm not going to tolerate that, so
You're not going to tolerate what?
I'm not going to tolerate that kind of behavior, so I can
What kind of behavior? Where I say that you're a liar, a cheat, and a theft, and a thief? Now get your ass out here, bitch. Hey guys, the phone number. Not gonna tolerate that. Act like you're some kind of professional, you fucking piece of shit. The phone number is 520-746-4500. 520-746-4500. So he refused to speak to me because I said that he stole my property, and he wants to insist that they don't steal. Your entire livelihood is based on theft, you fucking piece of shit! His phone number is 520-746-4500. We don't steal. Fuck you, pig!
I'm going to talk nice and say they borrowed your phone 2 years ago.
What do you call it when you beat the fucking shit out of somebody and take their stuff unlawfully? That's called theft. If you guys want to come out, we're at Tucson and Valencia in Tucson, Arizona.
Thank you.
Can I help you guys?
Yeah,
Yes.
I need my property back.
All right. So first of all, this is not where you pick up your property.
We went over there and you guys got to release it. This happened 2 years ago.
Okay.
The case is over. So he said, you guys got to release it. So release this property so we can go get it.
Okay.
So we don't got to be here all day.
You can be, have I been disrespectful with you?
Who was I on there with?
Okay, so
Who spoke to me on there?
Okay, that was me, and again.
Okay, I don't like your attitude. Shut your mouth and get back in there. Go ahead,
Okay.
sir.
Hold on.
Look, I'm in charge here. You're not in charge. You understand?
Listen.
You're not in charge.
Listen to me. Listen
When I
to
tell
me.
you to shut your mouth, you shut your mouth. Yes, sir. Go ahead,
Listen to
sir.
me, but I do not want you to disrespect my sergeant either.
It doesn't matter. Your sergeant
Okay,
go suck it.
so by the way.
I told you to shut up. I told you to shut up. I told you to shut up, son. When I say shut up, you shut up.
Listen to me, sir.
Yes, sir. Go on, sir.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
So you are asking for your property back. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any paperwork that says it could be released?
No.
Or any court documents or anything like that? Because the problem is if it's part of evidence and the court is saying
This is
it's not
dropped 2 years ago. This happened 2 years
All right,
ago.
I'll tell you what. Okay.
Okay, just
So-
I
so-
know the whole case of
Do you?
what happened. I know a little bit about
Because
it.
there's a petition signed by 100,000 people to arrest your criminal officer.
Okay.
But you're going to sit here and say that you don't commit crimes.
That is not
That was
what
a
I-
crime.
Okay, that's not what we're here for. What we're here for is to figure out what your property is.
Okay, well,
Okay, so
can you get on the phone and just get it for me? I really don't want to have a conversation. I
Let
just
me
want it.
see if we can get your property.
I
They said they had it, but you
Okay,
wouldn't
this is
release
not-
it.
Okay.
That's what they said, the
This is your
property owner.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I just need you to just hang
That's
tight.
fine. Me
Because
and
I'm
you
gonna
will
talk to you, okay? So, your property, do you have a case number or something I can look up?
You know what? Actually, the guy in the property room just gave it to me.
Okay, yeah, if you do that, let me figure out what they need, because I don't know what they need, so I can't tell you what is going on.
Sure.
So let me just.
So
see.
initially, they had filed felony charges,
Okay.
and then they were saying that the Pima County was the one that wanted to withhold the property.
Okay.
They refiled misdemeanor charges 6 months later, right before the statute of limitations was up. They dismissed those as well.
Okay, so let me find out
right.
what they need, and I'll get back and I'll let you know. Just
Appreciate
hang tight
it.
for me. Just
Yes,
please
sir.
don't ring
We'll
the
be here.
doorbell anymore.
No
okay?
problem.
All right,
Not if you
thank
come
Hey,
back.
Captain, I expect better behavior next time, son.
The sergeant, captain was one who was.
Captain, K-A-F-T-O.
Oh, I see, yeah. Because the guy talking to you, he's a captain. You see them 2 bars, like 2 lieutenant bars in a row, that's captain. Same as the
That
military.
line I actually got from Joe Salvaggio when he was doing the roundup at the press conference.
Yeah.
You're not in charge here.
Yeah.
You're not in charge here. So that's
Yeah.
where I got that line from.
Yeah.
All the shit that I say to these guys are quotes from police officers to innocent civilians that I turn around on them. You're not in charge here. I am. Salvaggio found out how in charge he was when we just settled for $500,000.
Yep. I would,
$500,000 we just settled for from Leon Valley.
so after you called him a
You're gonna
thief,
figure
and,
out who's in charge, bitch.
you know, after they called you, you called him a thief and they wouldn't come, I was going to be nice to him and say nicely, they borrowed it and then they was giving you medical assistance when they tased you.
Right.
See, they thought your heart stopped.
Right, so they tased
So
you
they
to make
tased
sure
you,
to
yeah.
resuscitate you.
Yes, they was trying to help, but you took it all wrong, you know.
Right, right.
You just took it wrong is all you did.
Yeah, you're
you mistaken.
Pigs Under Pressure's on his way out too. Hey, by the way, I wouldn't physically be in Tucson, Arizona if they had not have beat me up and stolen my shit that day. I wasn't coming back to Tucson. I've got a property out in the middle of nowhere, guys. I live an hour away from anything.
Here's Pup.
And guess what? I don't want to come out here. The only reason I'm even here is because of them. Hey, I'm live right now, okay? No problem. I'm live on the main channel, okay? Okay, love you. Bye.
Man, you guys are causing a scene out here.
What's up, man?
What up, brother? How you doing?
Good. How are you? Hey, what's up, brother? This is Pigs Under Pressure, who showed up after I got arrested. If you haven't seen that video, when
He got arrested too.
I got my ass kicked that
Yeah.
there's a lot of people out there who will say, yeah, man, if anything happens, I'll have your back. This guy right here, though, I've never seen anybody just show up like that. I mean, dude, like a fucking madman. He
Show up and get arrested with you.
Everybody's under arrest. Everybody get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Did they get on the ground?
No.
Them losers.
This time, but they're gonna.
They resisted.
Hey, tables are
Yeah.
turning. You know what? People are gonna have to start obeying the law. Us law-abiding citizens are sick and tired of these thugs and thieves.
Yeah. They wasn't going to come out here because he called them thieves.
I was watching.
Oh, good.
I was
So we
watching.
need you to talk nice to them. So you're so good at talking nice to them. We need
Really
you.
want your property back? I can probably look it up.
Yeah, just go up there and talk.
A couple licks.
Dude, what I do when I make phone calls for people that the cops are mad at is I lick their boots and I shit talk the other guy. I'm like, yeah, I know he's an asshole. I don't like it either, you know?
Like good auditor,
I
bad
tell him
auditor.
all the time, man, quit cussing. You're so immature.
Yeah, you got to be nice. You got to say like, how many licks does it take to get my property back? Tell me how many licks. So I don't want to overlick. I don't want to underlick.
Super chat, Princess Oakley. Thanks for,
Can't believe you haven't returned your property yet.
thanks for joining me.
It's only been 2 years.
Well, it has
Come
to
on.
personally be released by the trooper himself. See, when they took my
Yeah.
gun, when they
Oh,
took
that's
my
what's
gun
going
here,
on.
the actual trooper himself has to sign the release on the shit. So that's what the problem is.
So we need to get Hernandez out of bed and get his bitch ass the
Yeah.
fuck out of
Or
here.
his
Hey.
supervisor.
Hey, and
Escoboza.
by the way, while I'm live, to let you know, I would not have come back to Tucson at all, probably ever again if it weren't for this arrest. But I'm here now for the first time in 2 years, and you better believe that through the entire week, I will be out looking for state troopers to report. I fucking promise you that. My entire time here, I don't do holidays. So, you know. All right, man, come on up here. Yes, sir.
So I just want to talk to you. So what has to be done is the county attorney or the rescue trooper has to give a written authorization to release the property evidence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send that trooper an email and that supervisor an email because it works for a different command than I do. I'm going to ask them to go ahead and take care of that and send information to the property and evidence over there so you guys can actually get your property back. It won't be right now because that trooper is not on.
Okay, what
But
time does he come on?
I honestly, I don't know. Is he-
Escoboza is a sergeant.
No, he is not.
Not no more.
No, he's not. So anyways, also, I'm gonna just deal with you, okay?
Sure.
Because this is your case.
Sure.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna email the supervisor and we will go from there.
You want some contact information from me? Cell phone number?
Nope, because, yeah, actually, you know what? Give me your cell phone number because.
Here, will you hold this? I'm
Yeah.
live.
I'll walk away.
And I started it wrong. The gimbal's all messed up.
Yeah.
Or can you, write that on there? So give me a little, yeah, sure, give me a little bit of that newspaper. And what I'll do is
I'll walk away. It's me.
I understand it's not your personally either. It's just it's been 2 years and nobody ever wants to tell me who to talk to.
Well, I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna take care of it right now.
Here you go.
All right.
And hey, since he won't talk to me, ask him for Hernandez's address, and we'll go over there and get the phone.
So I won't go over to his house, but we will be looking for him out on patrol though to report him.
Okay.
For legal and lawful reasons.
Okay. Sounds good.
Needs to be held accountable. All right. By the way, do you know if Hernandez has actually been charged criminally yet?
I don't know any of that.
Okay, because we're days away from the 2-year statute of limitations on felony assault like he committed on me.
Okay.
And I don't know if you know, there's a petition with 100,000 signatures to make sure to at least try. And I'm not saying he needs to be convicted, but let's let a jury decide that, right? Let's at least charge people.
I don't know
properly.
any. I don't know any of that. And I'm not gonna make a comment on that. I'll take care of this.
Well, maybe I can
It's
show
with
you
that.
the evidence and I can do a police report with you right now then.
No, sir. I'm gonna actually go in. And I gotta take care of this, and then I got other work to do.
I
okay?
understand that.
So
Can
be
you tell me
careful.
then which law enforcement agency to go to make that criminal report? Should I
Have a
go to
good
the
day.
sheriff?
Have a good day. I'm not gonna answer any of those questions on that because I don't know. You can go.
I just don't know who has jurisdiction over something like that.
You
Sheriff?
you can go talk to those other jurisdictions and ask them. I personally can't tell you because I don't know.
Okay. All right. What would you do if you saw me beat up one of your officers? Would you have jurisdiction?
Have a good day. Have a good day.
All right. and that's how it goes. You know, that's how it goes, guys. I don't have any jurisdiction when my officer commits a crime. Should any of you, put your hand on somebody else in any way whatsoever, you better believe he had jurisdiction to file charges right this second.
They think they do, but they really don't. Fuck their jurisdiction. Fuck their jurisdiction. State nationals, right?
All right.
Have you read that? Get that state national thing sent to
And
you?
they love to just blow you off about it, but I mean, this is going to start becoming more of a thing. There are more and more cops that are being criminally charged for their criminal behavior. Hernandez is totally getting away with this. It's been 2 years and they filed charges on me twice.